Good morning, class. Today, 28th of November 2020. As we are already discussing the explanation of lesson number 7, that is the last leaf, which is written by O. Henry, isn't it? The last leaf is written by O. Henry. It's a very important and interesting lesson it was. So today we are going to summarize the whole chapter. Okay. The story, The Last Leaf, is a story of supreme sacrifice by an old artist. And the name of that old artist is Behrman. The old artist Behrman paints a masterpiece to keep someone's hopes and willpower alive. He paints such a masterpiece to keep someone hope and willpower alive. So बेरमैन जो एक ओल्ड पेंटर थे, उन्होंने एक ऐसी मास्टरपीस बनाई जो किसी की उम्मीद को बरकरार रखना और उसकी विल पावर को वैसे ही रखने में उन्होंने ये मैसेज कन्वे किया. He dies in this good cause. He dies due to this. His sacrifice fulfilled his ambition of creating a masterpiece too. Whatever he sacrificed to make a masterpiece painting did give some message to us that we should never have to lose our willpower and hope. हमें अपने जीवन में कभी भी अपनी आत्मनिर्भरता, उम्मीद, आशा नहीं खोनी चाहिए. Johnsy and Sue in this story were two young artists, and they shared a small room on the third floor of an old house. Johnsy और Sue दोनों एक यंग आर्टिस्ट थे और दोनों ही एक फ्लैट में रहते थे जो कि एक ओल्ड हाउस के थर्ड नंबर फ्लोर पर थी. Johnsy fell ill in the month of November due to pneumonia, and she had make up her mind in such a way that she lose all her hope, willpower, everything, that she will never be soon well get soon in her life. उसने अपने लाइफ में ये उम्मीद बना ली थी कि वो कभी ठीक नहीं होगी और उसका अब अंत निश्चित है. At that time, Sue called the doctor, and the doctor declared that Johnsy had lost the will to live. जॉन्सी ने डॉक्टर ने भी यही ऑब्जर्व किया कि जॉन्सी ने जीने की इच्छा खत्म कर चुकी है. जिस इंसान को जीने की इच्छा ही खत्म हो जाती है तो उसे कोई प्रकार की मेडिसिन, कोई प्रकार का ट्रीटमेंट असर नहीं करता. जॉन्सी fancied that she would die soon, so she made up her mind that she will die soon. No one will cure her. No one will save her or protect her. She linked her life to the falling leaves of an ivory creeper. Okay. She linked, उसने अपने लाइफ को किसके साथ लिंक किया? Falling of the last leaf. Okay. Then she began to think that she would die with the fall of the last leaf. And in this manner, she counted the reverse counting of the leaves that was there in the ivy creeper. Her condition went from bad to worse each day. Her condition became very critical because she is not able to eat anything or drink anything. Because she lost her hope, the willpower to live, to make her alive, that already destroyed or finished. So when Sue saw all these things, she was very much worried about her and tried to help her. She made all efforts to convince Johnsy. She tried her best to change her mind setup by talking the topics like clothes, fashion, styles. And not only that, she also bring her drawing board into her room also, so that his mind will divert it. But she found that there is no change in Johnson's life and attitude. सू ने उसको उसके माइंड को चेंज करने के लिए बहुत कुछ किया. उसके माइंड को डाइवर्ट करने के लिए कई ऐसी बातें की जिससे उसका माइंड थोड़ा भटक जाए. और क्लोथ्स के बारे में बात करना, फैशन, स्टाइल, यहाँ तक कि वो अपना ड्राइंग बोर्ड अपने उसके रूम में लाके पेंटिंग भी करने लगा ताकि उसका अटेंशन पेंटिंग की तरफ जाए. बट all these efforts made by Sue become worthless. But Sue told his problem to their common friend, that is Mr. Berman. Last, she expressed her problem. Sue told her problem to their old friend Berman. Berman was not a successful artist actually. Okay, she wanted to make a masterpiece painting, but he didn't make that one properly. He always desired to make a masterpiece, but he didn't make that one. When he learned about the fanciful idea of Johnsy, he decided something and went out to train. When he saw the condition of Johnsy, he set up a mind, a thought came in his mind, an idea came in his mind about to make something. And in that desires, he went out in the rain. He painted a true painting of the last green ivy leaf. He painted that. It did not fall in the rain strong. वो last leaf इतनी valuable थी, इतनी useful थी कि वो last leaf इतने बारिश में, तूफान में, हवाओं में भी वो पत्ता नहीं गिरा था. It looked so real that it made Johnsy believe that neither it nor life would end. Johnsy realized that the last leaf had that willpower, had that strength and power that makes there in that tree also. Last leaf में जब इतनी will power है कि वो क्रिपर से टूटी नहीं, नीचे गिरे नहीं, कितने भी हवाओं, तेज बारिश से, तो फिर मैंने अपने आप को ऐसा क्यों किया? So from that, Johnsy learned a lesson that she should improve and regain faith in her life. We should have faith on ourselves first of all. If we lose hope, then no one will do anything for us. हमें अपने ऊपर आशा, उम्मीद, विश्वास रखना बहुत जरूरी है. जब तक हम अपने ऊपर स्वयं पे विश्वास नहीं करेंगे तो हम दूसरों पर बिल्कुल विश्वास नहीं कर सकते. इसलिए सबसे पहले जरूरी है कि खुद में वो दृढ़ विश्वास खुद में पैदा होना चाहिए, तब आप दूसरों पे कर सकते हैं. जॉन्सी में उस चीज की कमी थी. Johnsy herself didn't believe on her. That is why he didn't have that willpower to alive. She lost his hope. Everything is gone, day by day gone very worse. हर एक दिन उसके लिए बहुत ही खराब होता जा रहा था. Because of her only. खुद की स्वयं की वजह से. Then after when she saw that last leaf, willpower, strengthening power, energetic one to face the wind storm, hail storm, rain storm. If a leaf can face all this thing, why not she? वो खुद क्यों नहीं कर सकती? Sue told Johnsy all about Bearman, who sacrificed his life for saving our life, who taught you a lesson. Sue ने बताया जॉन्सी को कि बैरमैन ने तुम्हारे लिए, तुम्हारे जीवन को, हमारे जीवन को बचाने के लिए अपने जीवन को दांव पे लगाया, हमें कुछ चीज सिखाने के लिए. बैरमैन died of pneumonia, okay, and he had made a supreme sacrifice for these two young artists. So students, this is there that how in this lesson, the last leaf, we have learned that we should not have We should not never lose hope, our willpower, our confidence, faith on ourselves. That is very important in our life. If we sometimes what happen, we someone misguide us from the track of our life, isn't it? कभी कभी हमारे जीवन में हम भटक जाते हैं, लेकिन हमारे अंदर का विश्वास अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो हमको सही ट्रैक पे लेके आ जाए. This is very important that. Okay, so here is the short summary of the chapter, the last